We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I don't care.
Yo, what is going on? What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, we are doing somewhat of a comparison. Now, as a lot of you guys know, we are sponsored and tuned by Dynojet, hence the reason that I'm wearing this shirt today, boys. We know, since we're gonna be talking about them, might as well rep them. If you guys have a Can-Am, more than likely you have heard or read somebody ask about the best tune for a 2021 unit. So as you guys know, I have a Dynojet tune on my four-wheeler, which honestly runs so freaking great, and it runs so top and so mint. So there's actually another company that actually makes tunes for the new 2021 units, and that company is Motorsports Addicts. So in this video, guys, we are gonna get to the conclusion and see what is the best tune that you can run on your new 2021 unit. Now, guys, to be able to do this comparison, we had to get a tune from Motorsports Addicts, which we have the Dynojet one, and you know, which runs flawlessly, but we had to get one from Motorsports Addicts. Now, guys, getting a tune from them was not so easy. Well, at least for me, it wasn't, but thanks to a subscriber and actually a fellow YouTuber, he actually goes on YouTube by Temptation 2003. Go check him out. I'm gonna leave all his information down in the description. And he actually happens to have the exact same unit as me, a 2021 850, guys. And like I said, he happened to have a Motorsports Addict tune. I was like, you know what? You know, hook it up with the tune, you know, send it over. Let's see if it works. And boys, the tune works. Now, I flashed it, then I flashed it back to Dynojet. But guys, this tune, from what I have heard and from what he tells me, it feels like a 450 dirt bike. He's actually gotten two tunes from Motorsports Addicts. He said the first one that he got wasn't quite as good as the Dynojet tune. He said that it really messed up his low end and it wasn't as peppy in a way, or you know, like responsive as a Dynojet tune. So he reached out to Motorsports Addicts. They actually sent him a more aggressive tune, aggressive throttle tune, and according to him, like I said, it feels like a 450 dirt bike. So we're about to test it and see, guys, what tune do you guys think is gonna do better, the Motorsports Addicts or the Dynojet? I have my money on Dynojet, but we never know, you guys. But I'm gonna slap on the helmet and GoPro, guys. Like I said, I'm currently running the Dynojet tune. We're gonna do a couple runs, time them, compare them side by side with the Motorsports Addicts tune, and you know, just see overall what's the best tune to run on these new 2021s. So I'm gonna slap on the helmet, guys, and I'll pick you guys up in a bit. All right, guys, we're on the GoPro now, and like I said, we're gonna be doing a couple tests. There's not really a specific way of testing these tunes, you know, other than, you know, accelerations tests, you know, 0 to top speed run timed, and you know, just how I personally feel it through the throttle. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, we're gonna be doing 3 0 to 60 runs on each tune. I'm gonna calculate them, you know, get the top speed runs, the best runs from each individual tune, get the times from those tunes and compare them and see which one did better. We're also gonna do a 0 to top speed, guys, which is 80, and we're gonna time that and, you know, just see what tune does better wheelies. All right, so we're gonna whip a U-turn, guys. We're gonna do it from this sign right here. We're gonna do 2 in 2-wheel drive, and we'll do 1 in 4-wheel drive, 0 to 60. But like I said, I'm gonna film 3 on this tune, go back home, switch it to the new tune, film another 3, get the best out of 3 times for both of the tunes, and we'll compare them at the end of the video. So, all right, boys, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go! Alright, so that was 60, boys. That felt good. This thing is so fast. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed it on video or not, but even with my weight transferred to the front, it was still wanting to wheelie, guys. Now, I really want to see how this Motorsports Addicts tune does and performs, guys, because I'm not going to lie, the Dynojet, it has a lot to offer, boys. It feels good under the seat. Alright, boys, here comes 0 to 60 number 2. Let's go. Alright. Okay, I'm going to try to keep all my weight to the front. On your mark, get set, go! Ah, I can't! You guys saw that? Dang! Gotta keep the wheels down, man, but this thing does not want to keep the wheels down at all. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Good. Let's go! 50, 60. Let's go! Alright, run number 3. For the third and last tune, we're gonna do this one actually in 4-wheel drive. Whoa, look at this! Literally where I'm launching from, I don't know if you can kind of pick it up, guys, but I'm leaving black lines. You guys don't believe when I say this thing has some power, boys. Alright, so we're gonna do this one in 4-wheel drive. Pull up to the line. And on your mark, get set, go. Let's go. 60. Holy crap, this thing got so sideways. It was like so hard to keep forward. The last run, we're gonna do a 0 to 80 run. We're gonna time it on the way home. And let's see how this thing does. So let's stop right here. All right, straighten out, boys. 0 to 80 run. I'm gonna time it, see how we do. On your mark, get set, go. Let's go. Full throttle, baby. Pinned all the way. 73. Jesus, took forever. Alright, so we're gonna do some wheelie comparisons, but I mean, this thing on the stock tuning would do wheelies like nothing in low and high, so not really any case to, you know, to compare them or see which one will do better, because I mean, it does wheelies in stock mode, you know. So we're gonna do one just for the fun of it, guys. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna hook up the Dynojet tuner and I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to switch tunes. Alright, so once you have it on, we go to flash tune. Here we have the modified stock tune, we have the stock tune from Dynojet, and here we have the Motorsports Addicts tune that was sent to my buddy that actually happens to work on my bike too. This is the AT, stands for aggressive throttle. Go yes, flash tune, yes, flash it, and it's being flashed. So I'm gonna let it flash, guys, and I'll pick you guys up once it's flashed, and so we can get the rest of these times going, so we can see what the hype is and see if this tune truly feels like a 450 dirt bike. So 98, 99, and 100. Cool. Alright, so turn the key off, turn it on, continue, and it flashed successfully, boys. Let's go! Alright, boys, let's see what this tune's all about. Let's see if it'll top old Dynojet tune. Whoa. Why was reverse so aggressive on that? Oh, alright. Ooh, I think it might be a little bit more aggressive, boys. I think you might be right. Alright, let's punch it. Oh shoot, I think you might be right, guys. Wow, this thing. Whoa! This thing feels good, holy cow! Woo-hoo! Oh shoot! Alright, this thing's got some pep in it stuff. Alright. I want to see a 0 to 60 run and see how it feels, boys. Alright, so line it up with the pole. And here it goes, boys. 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot! 60. Holy cow, I had almost all my weight shifted towards the front of the four-wheeler and it still picked up. I'm telling you guys, you just can't keep the front end of these things down. I mean, on pavement, there's no way. You can't full throttle it completely because, I mean, it'll just pick up no matter what. Run number 2, see how it does. 1, 2, 3. Yo! There we go, let's go. 60. Shoot! Alright, run number 3. Alright, so this is the 4-wheel drive pull. Pull up to the line. And 1, 2, 3. Let's go, boys. Whoa! Shoot! And 60. Dang, in 4-wheel drive it gets so squirrely, guys, and it's just so hard to keep it straight. But boys, this thing, I think it might pull just a tiny bit harder. Alright, so the last top speed pull, guys, we're gonna do a 0 to 80, time it, compare it, and let's see what it does, boys. 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot, I gotta redo it, guys. I gotta redo it. This thing picked up way too aggressively. I tapped the brakes. I want it to be a fair run. I'll lean all the way forward over the handlebars, keep all the weight down, and then I'm gonna come back down. But on your mark, get set, go! Let's go! 50, 60, 70, was that? You guys, I think that was my air intake that just made that scary whistling sound. What the heck was that? Yo, that's not that great of a sound. I thought it was my helmet, but that was definitely coming from the intake. Let's see if it does it again. Oh, I think it's not getting enough air. I think the vent lines have it crimped up or something. Alright, I had to adjust the vent lines. They were too close to the air intake and they were kind of just like crimping it and pinching up against it, but we should be good to go now. Let's see what it does, boys. On your mark, get set, go! Good launch! 50, 60, 70. Oh, shit! 80, holy crap! It took a long time to hit 80. Hey, let's see how this thing wheelies in low, because I know low is very, very aggressive on the Dynojet tune. Oh shoot! Yo, look at this. Oh, I'm not even pulling up on the handlebars. Literally just tapping it, boys. Alright. All gas. No, just not pulling up on the handlebars. Watch my hands. Completely straight. Yo, low on this tune is so aggressive. What the heck? Alright, let's do one last wheelie and we'll get home and kind of just talk about it. Yo, this thing was 45 in a wheelie. Oh, holy cow, man. Alright, so as you guys saw, I'm not gonna lie, it might, the Motorsports Addicts tune might be a tiny bit more aggressive than the Dynojet tune. This comparison and these tests were based solemnly on the 0 to 60 times and on the 0 to 80 times. I'm not gonna lie though, the Motorsports Addicts tune, they actually call it the MSA tune. The MSA tune pulled really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, I've never gotten on a 450 dirt bike, so I wouldn't be able to tell, you know, if he was telling the truth or not, but I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely got some pep in its step. Now, the question is, would I go with Dynojet or would I go with the MSA tune? Honestly, yeah, I feel like it might have been a bit more pep in the step, but is it worth, you know, that additional 80 bucks for another tune? It's entirely up to you. Like I said, I don't really feel like there was that huge of a difference where, you know, I'm like, holy cow, you know, this tune is pulling amazing. I feel like it might be just a tad bit more aggressive. You know, if you want to spend like, you know, the 80 bucks on a more aggressive tune, you know, reach out to them, check them out, guys. Motorsports Addicts, reach out to them. I had difficulty reaching out to them and trying to get a tune from them, but if you have success in doing it, you know, yeah, it does actually help just a tiny little bit. I'm gonna keep it on the bike for the next trip, see how it does. I'm gonna race my buddies again, see how this MSA tune does against the 1000s and the XXC and stuff like that, and, you know, just compare them. But so far, guys, like I said, I feel like it does pull a tiny bit harder, and, you know, if it's worth it to you for, you know, a bit more power than just, you know, a Dynojet tune, go ahead to do it. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe with the bell if you haven't already, and I will catch you boys on the next one. Peace! Alright, so this is after editing. Somebody actually mentioned a pretty good valid key point, that the MSA tune was actually a second revised custom, more aggressive tune than the first one that they had originally sent out. So we're definitely going to have to reach out to Dynojet and see if we can get a more aggressive tune, because like I had mentioned, the first MSA tune that he had got was definitely not as aggressive or peppy as a Dynojet tune. So yeah, just keep that in mind.